On my one hand, I have this phone, and on the other hand, I have this pyramid shaped transparent sheet that I have made. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to play a video on this phone, and when I place this transparent sheet on the very top of it, something magic is going to happen. Now let us first switch off the lights because it only works in the dark. You fool, it's day now. You can't switch off the lights. Oh yeah. Before we go and see the beautiful magic, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like so that you may get more interesting videos like this. Okay, now I'm placing the phone in a shaded area where no sunlight comes. Now I'm gonna play a video on this phone, and when I place this pyramid shaped transparent sheet on the center, something magic is gonna happen, and wait and watch. And I tell you all the details of the video later in the video. Now let us switch on the video. Oops. Wow, look at that. On the center of the pyramid, look, a butterfly is fluttering. It's like an animation or 3D image. Look. And I will clearly tell you there are no center images, only four animations on the four sides. And I keep this pyramid on the very center. See what happens. Wow. See there, see there. Wow. If you keep it in the night time like that, it will be more gorgeous and it will be so beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Wow. See that, see that, see that. Oh. What you saw is actually a hologram. That is, it is a three-dimensional image that can be viewed by any angles. So in this video, we're going to learn how to build that hologram, what's the science behind that hologram, and wait till the end till I show you a special or some of the special holograms. So in the video that I played, there are four images or animations playing on the four directions, and when I finally place this what do you call it, yeah, pyramid on the center, it forms it forms an image on the center of the pyramid. So how is it happening? Well, the science is so simple. First let me play this video and tell and explain it to you without the pyramid. So now, as you can see, we have a jellyfish here, and each jellyfish is pointing to a different direction. That is the top one to the top, bottom, left, and right. So this pyramid sheet that I have made is transparent. That is, it allows all the light to pass through it. So what do we actually call a 3D image? Let's take a Doraemon for example. So if we can see the top, bottom, front, back, left side and right side of the Doraemon, then only we can see it, say it as a 3D image or object. So that is what similarly happens in this hologram. So in the video, each jellyfish reflects its own light to the each side of the pyramid and forms one image. Why? It's because, as I said before, each jellyfish is pointing to a different direction, and when they all merge, then we can see the left side, right side, top, and bottom of the jellyfish. Okay, let's take an example. This is the right side jellyfish and left side jellyfish from the video. So when the video is being played and the pyramid is being placed on the center, these two jellyfish reflect their light, and when they go to the pyramid, they become one and become a 3D image. Okay, to make that hologram sheet, we need a OHP sheet like this, which is a transparent sheet and it is sturdy also. So you will get in normal stationery markets itself, and then you need scissors, tape, marker, and a scale. Now let's start making it. Firstly, take a scale and make a 6 centimeter line on that OHB sheet like this, and mark the center point of the 6 centimeter, that is 3 centimeter like this. Now on this point where you have marked, draw a 4 centimeter line like this. Now place it on that end and draw a 1 centimeter mark here. Now join the upper portion and lower portion of it, forming a triangle or triangle shaped trapezium like that. So this is the first half. So like this, you have to make four of these and cut it out. And make sure that all are of the same heights. If they are not, then the hologram sheet will not be able to stand still. Now we finished drawing the four trapeziums. Now we'll cut one by one. So like this it should be cut, and make sure that all of them are on the same sizes. So if any one trapezium is more in length than the other, you should make it equal, because The pyramid won't be able to stand still if it's unequal length. Now we'll use sellotape to tape the sides of the each trapezium. So take one sellotape and stick it like this. So like this you should stick it and fold them equally so that we could make a pyramid like this. So we have made half of the pyramid. Now we'll make the full pyramid. After you have stuck everything with sellotape, fold each part like this so that it forms a pyramid. Now ready, see, it's like a pyramid transparent sheet. Now place it like this to check if it's stable or not. If it's not properly cut or it is in unequal length, it will fall like this. So make sure it is in equal length. So it should stand like this so that it can form a real hologram than falling on the phone eventually. Yay, we finally made it. Now I'm gonna show and play some of the coolest hologram videos. Now to take the hologram video, just open your phone and go to YouTube and search hologram video. And then when you have finally typed it, a bunch of hologram videos will come. So whatever you want, you could choose it. When you click any of the video, it will show a cross mark like this. That is, you must place this hologram sheet on the very center of the cross, and then when you play the video, it will make a hologram for you. Now, let me make a few fantastic holograms for you. Okay, this is the fireworks hologram. So if you see at any angle, it will make a hologram for you. See. Wow. So I hope that you would have enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe and like so that you can get more videos like this. Thank you. The end.